I like to think of it in kind of two different parts of how we measure, risk and impact. One is kind of our technical risk. This is in a vacuum without all the modifiers for what industry we're in, what our compliance needs are. What is that finding in a vacuum? The CVSS score of, a CVE that's out on the internet. What is that score? What does it mean? And then kind of taking that and looking at what we call residual risk. What does it look like for us? And that can be very different. Maybe there's mitigating factors like, network security, firewalls, detections, web application firewalls. What are those mitigating technologies? And then, is it on the perimeter? Is it all on the internet, or is it just an internal application? Or who uses it? How many users are on it? What data does it process? All those different things kind of then modify that residual risk down to understand, where does it actually land for us? What's most important? So I think my ask of my testers is keep reporting all the things. Don't let the environment affect how you feel about a vulnerability. Do your best to be objective, to measure it in a vacuum, and then apply kind of what the business thinks about that vulnerability.